Welcome to Moonshiner Garage. Today we install a blower on the Moonshiner. Nah, I'm just kidding. That's total clickbait. Today we're going to be taking care of a few things out there in the shop. We're going to be taking care of the brakes. We didn't get them bled last time. We're going to bust them wheels down and get them sent off so we can get some bead locks on the back of the Moonshiner. And we're going to change those springs out, most importantly, and find out if the 110s are going to hold up the nose or not. Armando ought to be here soon, but yeah, these are the 300 springs. We're gonna see about getting those bad boys up off of there, putting some 150s on there and see if it'll hold the nose up. I didn't really think about the back of it's gonna be on jack stands because I gotta get these wheels sent off. So yeah, we're gonna do the best we can. That's it. This wheel didn't make it through the last tailgate throwdown, but it is a, what is it? Bird gay or whatever you want to say. Thing weighs like 8 pounds. Big old rim only weighs 8 pounds. In my opinion, it's one of the best. Exactly why I'm sending it back to them. Replace this barrel, replace the insides, bead lock them, powder coat them, send them back to me. I ain't really saving no money. It's all expensive. Oh. Fog it, baby. Let's just see how much this thing weighs. So there's 3 pounds of the whole rim right there. Yeah. In solid aluminum. All right, now let's see if we can balance this dude. This thing is light. Let's see. Like 7.5 pounds. 7.5 pounds plus the 3. So we're talking about 10-pound weight all in. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, just $880 if I miss. Ah! Even with the little tool right there, I'm still struggling getting the brakes. We got good back brakes. Not really wanting to work on the front, even though we got fluid to them with no air. But Armando thinks he might have found a small vacuum leak over here. We might have been sucking air. We're gonna redo a flange and try that again. Big old 300 springs. I didn't even realize they were that big. Look at these. What? Holy moly. That's tiny. That's lightweight. I hope that's the ones. Well, well, well. Well, well, well. Look at that. Uh-oh. So after we got the springs on and everything and we got to looking at the ride height and was very pleased, Viking knows their shit. When they told me what size spring to get, I got it, and that handled the business. Armando wanted to go ahead and put the front clip on, so we went ahead, whacked out the holes for the exhaust pipes, went ahead, cut the ender fenders out completely, and you know, we're trying to get skinny. Gonna go ahead, like I said earlier, we're gonna put in the removable front clip. He's just capping off the end of the tubing right now. That tubing actually slides up in the other tubing about 4 inches. So when we come out up here, we take out this bolt, and the bottom bolt, and then both of us can just pick up the front clip and set it to the side. Now, we did it a while ago with the headers sticking out, and they stick out, you know, 2 to 3 inches. We did do it, but it was a pain in that butt, I ain't gonna lie. It was like, okay, you do yours, now I do me, now you do me, now you do, no. So what we're gonna do, I think, is we're just gonna go ahead and whack these straight off, and we're gonna build these onto the fenders. So they'll just go with the fenders, come back and forth with it, and it's gonna make it a lot easier. This is not really a full-blown race truck. We don't really take the front clip off of it, hardly ever do we, but now that we have so much access to the motor with tube in the front end, man, I mean, just to do anything, if we could just get the fenders and stuff out of the way, that's gonna be you know, a lot easier on us. So yeah, we're about to put the front back on this bad boy. I got a little carried away with the plasma cutter on that one, I ain't gonna lie. And then I need to know in the comments, do I run it like this or do we paint it? Let me know. Run it like this, or do we paint it and then bring it back out? Because we're getting super close now. We're just welding it. We're just gonna weld the whole front end together. That way it's more sturdy. Weld it all. All right, so my boy Skinny Denny got the headers cut off, and I've been on doing road calls. Armando's been here working on the headers and trying to figure out what we're gonna do. I wanted to put my dills back on, cut the tips off, because the removable front clip, it was too hard to come around the tips. But I wanted to keep my tips, so I had Armando start trying to figure something out, and he whittled up all these pipes and figured out a way to, I don't know, somehow they fit on there collectively together. Anyways, it's a bunch of shit. But we need something so that when we set those in there, a way to hang the fenders up there. So this is what we come up with. I think the Fast Guys have these. Mondo made this. It's out of like, I don't know, 11 different pieces of steel, but check this out. Just bring it over here. Bam. There we go. Weld them to the fenders. Hammer time. That's sweet. Buff them up, weld them up. Boy. Well, Al Bundy's back with us. Man went home, drove it about a week, said it started cutting out again. I drove it this morning, it was like a well-oiled machine. However, it didn't want to crank, so I had to get it fired up, but once it fired up, it's perfect. Now it just continues to start. So, it's got plugs, wires, distributor, cap, coil, fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel relay. I throw a lot of parts at this thing. Thank God that they're cheap for it. I don't know. Get in the comments. Tell me what it is. ECM? That's what Ryan said. Maybe computer's going out. Maybe glitching. I don't know. It's just like it dies going down the road and starts right back up, but it don't backfire or don't spit up. Don't do nothing. Just smooth as glass. Okay guys, we're back here at Moonshiner Garage. Armando's back over there. We're working on some stuff. We've been getting these tips done. This is what we ended up with. AI gave us a bunch of options. Check these out. But this is what we ended up with. Because this is more this works for us, right? Easy on, easy off. Easy on, easy off. Easy off, easy on. Boom. There you go. I like them. They look good. They look moonshiner. Now we moved over to the front where we had this small pipe right there just going into the sheet metal. It's not really holding much, but we got it welded up so it's solid. But I decided to go ahead and run one from this bar up to this bolt and kind of help it with the back and forth motion. And then we're gonna go ahead and run one from here up to here so that in case somebody does lean on that too much, it'll have a little chance of making it. We're also headed to pick up piston puppies today. That's right, we're getting a new one. We're gonna get a female, but then when we saw the males, they look just like piston, and that's really what we wanted. So we're gonna pick up two. I'm keeping one, and its name is Cam. So we're gonna have Cam and piston, and then I'm gonna be taking care of another one from my boy over there at Backyard Built Trucks. He got one, and somehow we ended up with the two best looking puppies in the bunch. I'm gonna be hanging on to that one for a couple weeks, and then he's gonna come all the way from Kansas to come get the dog. And he named the dog, what did he name the dog? He named the dog Moonshine. What's up? Don't be running now. It's happening. Oh God.
We made a good choice.
Those are some awesome looking dogs.
He was fine as long as I was petting him, and look how he's sitting. He rode with his face on the...
Oh, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Woo-hoo! That's shine, ain't it? Yeah, that's shine right there. Moonshine has made it to HQ.
Look how big he is.
They're awesome. Okay, guys, I know y'all enjoyed the puppies, but you know I gotta try to sell you shit during the video. So check it out. Stop what you're doing right now. Stop what you're doing right now. Go to moonshinergarage.com. Anything that you buy in there, $5. Get you an entry into giving away these things. You're gonna see a lot of these damn commercials because I gotta sell these damn brakes. And we're gonna do it in probably less than 70 days. So you want to get that done. These are ultralight TPM brake with a small Chevy bolt pattern in the front. So there you go. There you go. Moonshinergarage.com is where you want to get entered. Thanks, guys. Oh, wait. We're also throwing in a can of Fog It. That's going to be also coming with your deal. So $5, guys. $5. Hard to believe that's that same grill. It looks good, too, don't it? Same grill. It was all rolled up. Check out this picture right here. Got the headlights in. Oh yeah. Now we're about to get rid of these marker lights. Repurpose. It's gone. It took a beating, but it's gone.
Cam's fat. Ah! Ow! You got my ankle.
Body work day. Body work day. Look at this. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of those and all those. Put in a little patch in the corners there where that ain't quite long enough. Yeah. Well, there it is, guys. It's like it never happened, right? It's crazy. Just rattle can, the spray, you know, satin. That's the rest of the truck's not rattle can, but I just rattle canned it. It was a little shiny at first, but then I just took the old Brilla pad, scratched it down a little bit, and it's good enough. I love the fender deals. These are nice. I said in the video that I was gonna weld them on, but that's not true. I'm gonna rivet them on. So they came out really nice. Armando did a wonderful job at building them. I like the way they look. I like the style of them. I got the new wheels coming right here for the back and hopefully these for the front. That's gonna be pretty awesome on the Moonshiner. Got all that all taken care of now, guys. We are literally almost back. And can you believe all that was in that wreck truck? Bumper, grill, top, all that. The only thing I replaced was the fenders and everything behind the fenders. But that's it. We got our springs straightened out. We are just about ready to send this thing to the alignment shop. We're waiting on wheels to come back in. Still got to buy a set of tires, and we are in desperate need of a vacuum pump for a big block Chevy. So these are things that the Moonshiner never had that it's gonna need before we go back out. So tires, wheels, vacuum pump, and then me and Armando are gonna tear the inside of the truck up apart a little bit. We're gonna lighten it up a little bit in there. We're trying to hit the 2,800 pound full size truck range. I don't know if that's possible, but we're gonna talk about weights here pretty soon because we're gonna start weighing this thing out, and I'm gonna share all that with y'all. So anyways, that's it. Before I close out the video, I wanna leave you one last thing. Guys, we're gonna do another deal just like the Nitrous giveaway that we did. This one's gonna be on the TPM brakes. I've already got a couple shirts. I'm gonna share those with y'all here in just a second, here and here. And we gotta sell quite a few of them, and we're a small channel, so we're gonna need help. But we're gonna need to sell those brakes and put some funds back in the account because it is almost race time for Moonshiner Garage. Jake's ready. Jake's just about ready. We're just about ready. Everything's about to start happening, and we've been working very hard to get here, and I'm excited about it, and I appreciate all the support from all the people that help us out, Jerry's Tree Service, all y'all guys, Foggett, NX, Frankenstein, Lucky's, Jerry's Tree Service. I mean, these are my people. Thank y'all very much. Get you a shirt. Help us out.